Hey guys, this is Chris with Paragon Inspection. Most all of my videos have something to do with home inspections, and that makes sense because that's what we do. But occasionally, and actually with some regularity, I come across some really cool stuff that has absolutely nothing to do with the home inspection. And today I want to show that to you. I'm in Columbus, Texas. I'm down close to the Colorado River bottom, and there are some amazing huge trees down here in this area. So if you can, take a look at this guy. I mean, its branches are almost as big as the house. And I'll give you a little perspective. I don't drive a tiny truck. It's a 3/4 ton Chevy, and this tree absolutely dwarfs my truck. So anyway, I thought I'd share that with you guys. No, I'm not a tree hugger, but I do think this is really cool. Undoubtedly, this tree was here before Texas was even settled. So have a great day. We'll share some more things of interest with you. If you need any inspections, give us a shout at 281-766-9212. Thanks. Have a good day.